I think that's enough. We got some bubbles. That's one problem with this pouring medium I've realized, is that because of the thickness of the glue, it tends to get tons of bubbles. All right, so this is my black cell activator. I showed you guys how to mix it. It's just water and acrylic ink. And now for the fun part, I pick it up and blow. All right. So far, the lacing hasn't broke, which is awesome. I see a bubble that I don't want. Swiped through all those cells. I don't know if it'll distort it. I would imagine it would. All right, so we're gonna spin this one out. Oh wow, look at that. So that's gonna be a very interesting look. Same here, it's black. And now I need to set up a little drying area for these. All right, so let me see, is there some spots here that don't have so much? All right, I'm just gonna take some of that, put it right there. That was number one. Now it's time for, all right, so the first bloom was blown out. Let's do a second one. I might not have had enough medium, so it did roll under, and this is the centerpiece, so I want to try to avoid that if I can. If we need to mix up a little bit more, go through and get rid of some of these bubbles. All right, cell activator. I think we have plenty going on the outside now. And then we're gonna pick it up and do our blow. I love that. I think we might roll under a little bit over here too. Maybe could reposition a little. I'm not gonna do too much though. Well, let's spin this one out. Oh wow, but I like that one. All right, drying area. I'm really excited. There we go. And the final countdown. I am quite goofy sometimes. All right, so we were running a little bit short on the medium, so I had to mix up just a little bit extra. Luckily, it's a fairly cheap medium, so there's even more bubbles. I imagine I could probably use a torch to try to pop these, and it might be faster. The only thing I'm worried about is that it would put a skin on this glue. For now, we're playing it safe. And then once I do, all right, let's get the trusty cell activator on there. Probably ending up putting about 6 drops. And now it's the pot. Big old bubble right in the middle. Dagnabbit, you broke my cells in the center, guy. All right, I'm probably blowing too much with a downward angle. Need to blow more to the side. Getting back into the swing of it. All right, ready guys? But they are stunning. All right, let me set this drying area up. I know, I'm coming around the other side to get this one. Get back. All right, now the cells in these have opened up just about as far as they're going to. And I had to go through and pop the bubbles. You can see if you're looking at the glare, there's still some pits that need to self-level just a little bit. But I'm really, really excited as for what this is gonna look like when they're dry. 'Cause it's like a bloom I don't think I've ever seen before.